sty still going strong. What? My sty is still going strong. I gotta do a hot compress on it. Meanwhile, I got a sty. I might have gotten a little too excited with the smoothie. Now it's a bowl. Good morning. It's actually almost 2 in the afternoon. And I have a sty in my eye. Fortunately, the apartment is a little bit cleaner than yesterday, but I think we need to vacuum like really, really bad. This week has been a struggle. I guess I'll go pick up some stuff to vacuum, maybe. I'm sorry. There you are. Never really takes this route, so I was confused. The socks partner is over here. These are all of the unmatched socks. I don't know where any of their partners are, but none of them have partners. Oh wait, nope, those aren't partners. 7 unmatched socks somehow. Joseph doesn't do the most excellent job at cleaning everything, so I've got to pre-clean now.
Yeah, I can't really get under there because of the way your kitchen table has the...
I don't know why I start the morning off being really hot and then I get cold, or really being really cold and then I get hot.
Like I said, you must need a vacuum cleaner.
It takes forever and it hurts my back. Must be sucking really hard. You okay, buddy? Sunday shenanigans. Watching a Roomba fail entirely. Watching the Roomba fail entirely, get stuck under the couch and not be able to function the way it's supposed to. I think it's more a cost for entertainment than actual functionality at this point. Just watch a Roomba sweep your apartment for half an hour instead of taking the 10 minutes it would actually take to sweep your apartment. Really likes the couch. It's also really dusty. I swept that nice little dirt pile out from underneath here so it'd be easier for you to clean, and yet you insist on ignoring this area, which is super rude, and scratch up my chairs. Are you kidding me? Go back. Okay, 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 okay. Thank you. I feel like it's been an hour. Has the Roomba been running for an hour? It's totally been an hour. I'm not ready to work out yet though. I hate running. Sometimes it's the only way. Haven't even unlocked the door yet. I closed my exercise ring. I'm recording. It's that type of night. I got ramen last. I hate waiting for water to boil. Nom 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 nom. Okay, that's enough.
I'm Adrienne Benji's down here, and today we have a practice called
Yoga Joy. It's called Yoga Joy. I don't know what I'm doing right now. I'm dancing to nothing. And my phone battery sucks. More laundry. Oh, I don't think I'll be able to carry this with one hand. I get it later. I think I'm gonna call it a night. Welcome back to the boringness of my life and my awkwardness.